Now nation, we at it again once more with another dancehall update, and today I'm going to give you a full breakdown of Vybz Kartel's retrial court hearing. And before we get into that, remember to like the video, people, and get the notification bell so you can be notified whenever time I drop new videos. Now people, a lot of people may not understand the meaning of retrial hearing. A lot of people send to my DM say, yo Sleek, you need to explain this out because some of we don't really know what going on. So for the people that wanna know what going on, I'm gonna explain out to you thoroughly. So now just lend me on the ears for a couple minutes. Now, the date has been set to June 10th for the retrial hearing of Vybz Kartel and his co-accused. I know say a whole heap of people hear the word retrial and I wonder if the case start all over again. No. You see me I say? This is just a matter where, you see me I say, certain documents will be provided, you see me I say, to the Jamaican Court of Appeal, and then the Court of Appeal now, you see me I say, will come to a decision whether to retry the case or acquit the men. You understand? So the prosecution have to go submit for them documents, and the defense will have to submit their documents also. And you already heard in a previous video, you see me I say, Vybz Kartel and his attorneys, they have a specific deadline to, you see me I say, bring forward these documents that they are going to present to the Jamaica Court of Appeal. So the prosecution will be presenting their case, and the defense will also be presenting their case also. And then after that now, the Court of Appeal will come to a decision. But in fair honesty, people, trust me, this whole Privy Council trial and then sent back to Jamaica thing, it's moving so swiftly. And because of the swiftness of the whole thing, it just leaves me to just say, boy, Vybz Kartel is a free man already. Yes, so I say, trust me, because the process is going so fast. Because remember, you know, it took a while for the case to be presented to the Privy Council. It was then presented. Yes, so I say, it came back in which the convictions of the 4 men were quashed. Yes, so I say, it was no more. Yes, so I say, and after that whole procedure, they were supposed to wait a while for an important document that was supposed to be signed by King Charles. And you know them things that take a while, like months. And trust me, it was just within a few weeks, because remember, Friday we're gone was actually the 12th, and it came back, yes, so I say, before the 12th of April, apparently, that on the 12th, it was announced that the trial date was set, because they were waiting on that important document that was supposed to be signed from King Charles. They were waiting on that document to then present that document to the Court of Appeal. So apparently it was before the 12th that it reached, but it was on the 12th. You saw me I say the trial date was set for June 10th. So it was basically a speedy process, because when it comes down to Privy Council and stuff like that, me I tell people, it can be drawn out, it can be a very lengthy process, you understand? And if you see it just forward through that quick, swiftly, in a few weeks after the convictions were quashed, just a few weeks after they sent the papers and the documents that were needed to be presented to the Court of Appeal, and the date has been set. So trust and believe me, people, me I tell you, it was a swift process. So with all of that going so fast, I'm just thinking, yo, Vybz Kartel is a free man already. I'm just waiting on the acquittal. He's a free man already to me. I'm just waiting on that acquittal for him to just walk free. You know what I mean? So people, this retrial hearing will last for 5 days. So from the 10th to the 16th. And nation, one thing I want to highlight also is that the reason for this court hearing here, this retrial court hearing here, the reason for it to be a bit lengthy, as in 5 days, is because I think that they want to deal with it in the right and proper manner. You understand? Because remember, you know, people, Vybz Kartel exposed the Jamaican justice system, you know. So the UK Privy Council look down upon Jamaica judicial system now, and I say, oh my God, they're so corrupt. You know what I mean? That was what really caused them to send the case back to Jamaica. You know? Because when them really look into it, they must say, yo, this was, you know what I mean, tampering at its fullest form. And this was corruption. And why did they even proceed to go on with the trial, knowing that all of these hanky-panky were going on in the silences of the courtroom. You know what I mean? So like, we need to quash it and send it back. They need to deal with it. Their mistake, they're supposed to correct it. So that is the reason why them send it back. So you don't know, say them can do it within no 1 day or no 2 days. I remember the last appeal in Jamaica in 2020. I think it lasted not even a day. I think it didn't last even a day. So this time around now, them give them 5 solid days. You see what I say? I don't know the DPP, she go try to get a retrial, but she not get none. They're losing back, she a fight. Because with an attorney like Isaac Buchanan, I tell you, say the man make Jamaica proud, brother. The man make not Vybz Kartel alone, the man make Jamaica proud. The man, I tell you, the man is a genius, brother. The man is marvelous. The man does know how to articulate himself and does, you know, he just knows how to explain himself thoroughly. And whenever time he's explaining something thoroughly, or whether he's explaining something about Vybz Kartel, the audience and the fans, they understand it. And next thing too, with Isaac Buchanan, he's concerned about Vybz Kartel health, and that is what I really admire about this whole, you saw me, I say him representing Vybz Kartel. He is representing Vybz Kartel to get Vybz Kartel out to get medical aid. And right about now, me I tell people, Vybz Kartel needs medical attention. Not because when I hear these nice songs, when I feel like all is well. He has a sickness that it can be fatal, and we don't want nothing to the artist. You understand? So we need him to get medical attention right away. You know what I mean? So with a person like Isaac Buchanan and the team, trust me, no retrial is needed. He even said it himself that none is needed. But you don't know, through the DPP, she want to take she out of fear, she go want for defense, she want a retrial, and she knows that she can't find no evidence, you know, because them the evidence that them use then, them can't use them evidence there again, you know what I mean? And there is no new evidence to present, so what are you going to submit? What are you going to submit? The defense has their submissions locked and loaded and ready. Their submissions are there ready to, you know what I mean, to be submitted. So what is the DPP going to submit? Where she go get new evidence now? She go make them up, because I make them make up them one day from them time there, you know. And the Privy Council highlight it and expose them and showcase them to the world and say, oh no, corrupt. We are send it back, go out, they make uno deal with it, because uno never give him a fair trial. You know what I mean? And remember this, the Privy Council, they are in the dark watching to see what Jamaica is going to do. You think they're not watch? Them are watch, man. They are watching. They're not saying anything about it, because it's not a case of the United Kingdom. It's a case of Jamaica. But them are watch to see where the Court of Appeal out there are going to do. You know what I mean? But it's all in favor for Vybz Kartel. I already said it before. He is a free man to me already. I believe that this whole court hearing thing, yeah, it trust me, I just believe that it wasn't needed. From the same day the conviction was quashed, he should have walked. But you don't know the whole procedure. It's a process. Documents have to be signed and sent and submitted and yada. So you don't know the whole 9 yards when it comes down to that. But as of everything else, I believe that Vybz Kartel is a free man. I am excited already. So just in a few months, my artist will be a free individual. Once again, he can perform once again for his fans. And you don't know, it's going to be an uplifting feeling and a joy advocating for Vybz Kartel and seeing him walk free. You know what I mean? So as I'm going to leave right now, me I gotta say this: free world boss. See? And with that being said, this is where I'm going to end the update. Hope you guys enjoyed it to the fullest. If you have anything to say about the topic, feel free to leave it in the comment section. You never can tell, probably your comment can spark our next update. Remember now, people, to like the video, watch the video, and share the video also. Remember to like the playlist, watch the playlist, and share the playlist also. And don't forget, people, keep the support going, watch the ads. So me I say big up each and everyone we're tuning in right about now. Remember guys, like up the video. So until the next time on the next topic, I'm out.